What is up? What is up? What is going on? All right, hey, let's do this. Let's give you a quick tutorial on how the web page building is going for some of us that need a little extra help, or maybe we missed it. This will help you. So what we need to do is we always need to go to McLeodClass.com, and it's up on the board. It's very simple. It'll come straight to this home page initially. You can always see what's good in life. You can learn something about myself and what I'm all about. You can also see the policies, so if you want to know how grading works on a rubric system, you can do that. Everything and so forth, but you really want to click on the Summer Schools tab. So this is everything for you. Again, we know that it has the class rubric there in terms of our grading. If you want to kind of get a gist of what Summer School is about, the overview, awesome, cool, and then you can go down and see each day what we're doing. And I would point you to this one. This kind of gives you the overview, so you can click on the different weeks and see what I've planned for us. It's a lot of fun. I just want you to know where we're going in that one. But the major thing is we want to do the web page building. So what we're going to do is we're going to come here, and instead of clicking our online textbook, we're going to click this U.S. History Web Page Master here. So everything that you see on here is what your web page should have. Obviously, it won't look the same because it's different content, it's different pictures, it's different backgrounds, but it'll still be the template is the same. So, for example, this is the home page. You need to put your name there and write a paragraph about yourself, plus put something. I do make a mandate that you have to decorate the background, so I'll explain that. If you click on Film Analysis, you should see whatever's here is what you should have already. If we click on Early North America, this is what we did yesterday on the 17th Monday. You should have this format with everything written in there correctly like this. So all as I'm saying is go to this master link if you need to know what you have to do in case you miss something or you just want to make sure you're doing the right thing on that one. However, we do need to go and show you how to start a web page. So if you can go to google.com, log in with your Compton USD account, and you come up here to this little waffle 9-grid thing. Go ahead and left click it if you're using a mouse, and you're going to find the sites icon. So go ahead and left click that, and it will open up to this. So what I would highly recommend for you to do is instead of clicking create to begin with, let's go down here to new Google Sites, left click that. Okay, you won't see all this because you probably don't have a lot of web pages. I do, obviously. Let's just go down here and let's left click to create a new site. Awesome. So I'll walk you through the process. So again, make sure it matches up to what we have over here. But I want to just show you a few things how you would do it. First thing we want to do is we always want to put our name up here so that way we know when you do it, yeah, get the credit because that's why we're here. We want you to do this. But what you're going to see here is you're going to see me use a lot of these layouts here, these templates. So whenever I'm on a page here, I can move things over, but I should go back and explain this first. These three tabs up here, you'll see Insert, Pages, and Themes. Insert is basically all the stuff that you're going to want to put into your web page to use. Pretty simple. If I click Pages, this is where I'll add other pages of my web page that I can go into. So, for example, I could left click here, and I could type in Early NA for one of them, and I could click Done, and boom, it shows up. Just know that when you're on the Pages tab, if it is highlighted in blue, it means you're working on that one. Pretty simple on that overall. So let's go back to our home page here. Good, it's highlighted. I'm going to go back to Insert, make sure it's there. And the first thing I need to do is I need to drag this over because this is what the template is asking me to do. So you can either drag and hold, or you can just left click once and boom, it drops it in. Notice it already makes it there. So then if I wanted to put another thing below it, let's say I wanted this one, I could do that and so forth. But you notice how it drops it in there. So it makes it easy instead of you having to go in, put a text box, all that stuff. Pretty cool, pretty simple. And what's even more enjoyable is when we have pictures here, we can click it, we can go down to select image, and we can go to search, and we can search the web page for something. So let's say you know what I'm going to search. My boy. So I'm going to search Will Ferrell. Awesome. Pictures come up of him. Cool. I'm going to left click select. Boom, drops in. I can resize it. I can do whatever I need to. But that's how you find pictures on the web to start with. People are asking questions, how do I decorate the background of a thing? Well, what you need to do first is you need to make sure that you've selected it, that it over is this one. I'm going to come over to this section background, and I'm going to click it. I'm going to go down to image. I'm going to click select image. And you bet I'm going to do the same thing. I can either find a pre-generated one, or I can search from Google. So let's say I want to see the ocean. I'm going to click that. Ooh, yeah, I like that one. And I'm going to click that. Boom. Makes it in the back. It'll auto-format it. I can still text. I can still type in everything. And it'll look wonderful. So pretty simple how you do that. just make sure you're matching up to what the master has there. Okay, you don't want to get behind on this because we're doing a lot in the 2.5, 5 weeks, so you want to make sure you're doing it. But just keep up with it. You'll be fine. And luckily, Google is awesome that every time you type something, in a few seconds, it's going to auto-save it. So you don't have to worry about publishing right now until I walk you through that. But you just want to make sure you're doing that. Last thing here, I need you to share it with me. So we need you to go up to these little people here, this little dude, and I need you to type in invite people. I need you to type in vmcleod at comptonusd.net, and you'll see it pop up there. Click that, and I need you just to make sure that this one says can edit. Once you do that, click send. Boom, it sent it to me, so that way I have access, because each day in Aries you do get a grade for the work that you're doing because you're being awesome about this, so I want to make sure you get what you deserve in that one, which is amazingness. You all are going to be wonderful. Let's have fun with this. If you have any questions, please feel free to DM me, whatever it is, text me. You can chat with me. You can get in contact through McLeodClass.com, and I'm here to help you. But again, don't fall behind. Stay up on it. We have plenty of time in class to be able to do this and perfect it. So just make sure you're on top of it, and let's be rock stars that we know we all are. Take care, guys.